Hi guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to find Wi-Fi password in Windows 11 if you are already connected to any Wi-Fi network. So simply you need to click here on the right side on this Wi-Fi. Then you can click on this Wi-Fi symbol again, and then you have down place here more Wi-Fi settings. So click on this. After clicking this, then you can see here the Wi-Fi on which you are connected will be displayed here. So just click here again, and you need to scroll all the way down, and then you can find here the Wi-Fi security key. So just click on view here, and the Wi-Fi key will come in front of you. So see how easily you can find, because sometimes when we are using the Wi-Fi and by the time we forget the password, so if anyone is asking or if we are connecting to our new device, this is the easiest way to find it. I hope this video is really helpful for you. If it is, give it a like, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share with your friends and colleagues. Bye.